Trump's cane sugar push, ADM stock falls as Coca-Cola considers switch. A single tweet from a former president sent shockwaves through the food industry, triggering a stock market reaction that highlights the tangled web of politics, health, and big business. When Donald Trump claimed Coca-Cola had agreed to replace high-fructose corn syrup with real cane sugar in U.S. products, shares of Archer Daniels Midland, ADM, a major corn syrup producer, plummeted as much as 6% in pre-market trading. But here's where it gets controversial. ADM stock had been on a steady upward trend, gaining 12% over 3 months and 6% in 2025 alone. Could a political statement really undo months of financial progress? Let's break it down. High-fructose corn syrup, HFCS, a sweetener made from corn, has long been a cornerstone of the American food industry. Companies like ADM and Ingredion rely on it for everything from sodas to processed snacks. Trump's claim that Coca-Cola would switch to cane sugar, often marketed as a healthier alternative, sent investors scrambling. But Coca-Cola's response was frustratingly vague. The company didn't confirm the switch, only stating they'd share more details on innovative offerings soon. And yet, their stock rose 2% the same day. Is this a case of perception trumping reality, or is there more to the story? The Corn Refiners Association, which represents HFCS producers, fired back hard. This isn't just about sweeteners, it's about jobs, warned CEO John Bode. He argued that switching to cane sugar would devastate American farmers, cost thousands of manufacturing jobs, and flood the market with foreign sugar imports. But here's the twist: cane sugar is more expensive in the U.S. than in many other countries. Could this be a ploy to push for cheaper domestic sugar policies, or is it genuinely about health? PepsiCo CEO, Ramon Laguarta, hinted at both angles. While noting that 60% of their U.S. beverages already avoid corn syrup, he suggested the industry might be quietly negotiating with the government to make sugar more affordable, a move that could reshape the entire market. And this is the part most people miss. The real battle isn't just about sweeteners. It's about control. The Trump administration has repeatedly pressured food companies to clean up their ingredients, from artificial dyes to HFCS. But should the government dictate what goes into your soda? PepsiCo plans to remove artificial additives from its chips by year-end, but is this consumer demand or political pressure? The line is blurring. Raw sugar prices even spiked after Trump's tweet, showing how quickly markets react to political statements. So, what's the takeaway? If you're an investor, this drama shows how fragile supply chains and political rhetoric can collide. If you're a consumer, it raises a bigger question. Should companies prioritize health, jobs, or profits? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Are you for or against switching to cane sugar? Is this a health win or a political stunt? Drop a comment and let's debate.